Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove background on OpenArt. So removing a background in this platform is usually done using its image editing or background removal tools, or by combining it with image to image editing. So actually guys, the best method and the fastest one is one-click background removal. So all you need to do is to open your OpenArt website or platform and then just go create section right here, and then just go and tap on image. Okay, so let's say that we want to remove a background of our image. Okay, so all you need to do is stay in the image section and then go with edit image. Okay, so once you click on that option, you will need just to upload an image from your files or your computer files, and then just go and ask the AI to remove the background of that image. Then go with generate. So you will need to wait 1 to 10 minutes, and that's the estimated time, until the AI removes the background for you. So if the hair or edges look messy, you will need to refine the mask or regenerate. And also if the background partially remains, you will need to increase the masking area. And also if the subject distorted, you will need to lower the image strength. And that's the result. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.